How would you say TROV and TREN in English?
As you could see on the previous posters, both Brazilian and international regulations have MEDEVAC as a special condition to be inserted in flight plans. MEDEVAC or MEDEVAC, medical evacuation, medical evacuation, medical evacuation, or medical evacuation. You can explain that the aircraft is doing the transportation of vital organs for transplant. Vital organs, vital organs, vital organs. Or you can say that the aircraft is doing the transport of vital organs for transplant. You can also say that the aircraft is transporting or carrying human organs. You can explain that the aircraft is transporting or carrying a critically ill patient. You can also say that the aircraft is doing the transportation or the transport of a medical patient. Notice that you say the transport with the stress on the first syllable, or the transportation, but you say to transport when it's a verb. Transported in the past or transported. Transporting or transporting in the ing form. 1. The transportation of vital organs requires priority handling by ATS. Number 2. An aircraft emergency takes precedence over an aircraft that is carrying vital organs. That means that the emergency is more important and comes first. Number 3. The pilot said he was transporting a critically ill passenger, but weirdly enough, that information was not in the system. Number 4. People who live in remote areas depend on medical evacuation when they have a life-threatening emergency.
Life-threatening means you're at the risk of dying.
In my ATC experience, I've seen more MEDEVAC helicopters than planes. 6. I had to control an air ambulance on my very first day as a licensed controller. Also notice that aircraft can carry other medical items, such as medical supplies, blood, and tissue, or tissue.